Hi everyone, it's Lynn and
Addie.
It has been a while and we are bringing back an old favorite, which is, what are we making today, Addie?
Ice cream bread.
Ice cream bread. And why are we making ice cream bread today?
For my great-grandma's birthday.
Great-grandma's birthday. It's my mom's birthday. So what should we say?
Happy
birthday! So we are making her ice cream bread for her birthday. And we're doing this because it's super simple. So you can make it with anybody in your family. And how many ingredients do we need?
2.
2 ingredients. And what are those ingredients? We need 1.5 cups.
Powder and ice cream.
Yep, 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can always, per 1 cup, you can add a 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to make that into self-rising. And then we are going to melt whatever ice cream that you want. We have here, Thank You Cherry Munch. So we're going to melt our ice cream, get this all mixed together, and then we are going to put it in our loaf pans. Yeah. We're going to put it in our loaf pans and get it cooked up. So let's get this ice cream melted.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got our 1.5 cups of flour in here, and I am going to dump our 1 pint of melted ice cream in here so Addie can stir it all together. Ooh, that is it, you guys. We're just going to get this stirred together. We are preheating our oven to 350 degrees. We just want to make sure the flour is all incorporated. This is going to be more like a pound cake. So, yeah, but it's super fun, super easy. You can use, this even has like chocolate chips in it too.
But I did not like.
So we're going to get all this goodness into our mixing bowl.
Watch me stir.
We're going to get it all stirred together. We are going to grease our pans. I'm probably going to put a little bit of parchment paper in there. And then we're going to put them in our 350 degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes. We want to make sure that our toothpick comes out clean. All right. So we've got our bread in our pan. We're going to put sprinkles on it to make it more festive. What color did Addie have?
I have gold and silver.
She's got gold and silver. You know, because it is her, what, how old is she going to be? 84. So we're putting some gold and silver on here too. All right, we're going to get it in the oven and see what it turns out. All right, same thing. We got our flour here. We're going to do chocolate now. Make fudge, not war. Ooh, sounds kind of good. Let's get this one made too. There you go. Ooh, we didn't melt that one all the way. Come on. Addie's going to stir this one up. Ooh, we spilled it everywhere. This chocolate's really good. These are from Aldi. So we got our 1.5 cups of flour, self-rising, and we're putting chocolate ice cream in this one. This one has brownie chunks in it. Ooh,
Brownie?
Ooh, yes, brownie.
Wow. 3, 2, 1, 4.
All right, we're gonna get these in our pan and get this one in the oven with our cherry one, and then we'll come back and we'll probably try one of them and tell you what we think. All right, this one Addie put chocolate chips and sprinkles on. Did you not, Addie?
I did.
All right, let's get it in the oven. What do you think, Addie?
I like it.
Yeah, you do? Mm-hmm. It's really not sweet at all, is it?
Mm-hmm. But look at this one. It's beautiful.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Would you make it again?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm actually, I can't believe that it's really not that sweet.
Bad?
No, it's not that sweet.
Yeah, not that sweet. It's actually pretty good.
Okay. You heard it from the girl. That's it. make ice cream bread if you're in a hurry and you need a little treat. There you go, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, everyone. Woo! Something fell over in the sink. All right, everyone. This is Lynn and
Addie!
And that is our recipe for today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also wish Grandma a happy birthday, Mom!